This is the story of Looney the Lion. And Looney the Lion, I really like the dress that Looney wears. Or the robe, I guess. It's a man, it's a boy lion, so he's wearing a robe. And the robe has the letter L's on it. So this is the story of Looney the Lion. Looney loved to laugh and look at lovely things. He collected leaves from all over Lion Land. One day after lunch, Looney went for a walk by a lake to look for leaves. He was lucky because he found lots and lots of lovely leaves. He could hardly hold all of them, he had so many. He was trying to arrange them when he looked up and he saw a light high in the top of a lemon tree. Leading up to the light was a long, long ladder made of logs. Looney wanted to learn what was up there. Do you think he should go? I don't know. Looney put down his leaves under a lemon so that they would not get blown away. He began leaping up the ladder. When he got part of the way up, he looked and he saw a little tiny lizard. Do you see the lizard right here? Looney was frightened and screamed, "Look!" Then he scooted down the ladder. Oh, 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 oh. Looney was not very brave like other lions. That might be a problem, huh? The lizard crawled away, so Looney decided to try it again. Up, up, up he went a long, long ways. He was higher than the first time when he saw a large lobster. Do you see that lobster? Do you think that Looney's going to be brave enough? Nope, he screamed really loud again, and he said, "Look, a large lobster!" And he scampered down the ladder again. Oh, 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 oh. Poor Looney. After the lobster had gone, Looney started up the ladder again. He was most curious to see what was at the top of the lemon tree. This time he was almost to the top when he saw a leopard. Now I think I would be afraid of a leopard. "Look!" he screeched, and he ran down the ladder. Oh, 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 oh. Then a line of ladybugs crawled past Looney and went up the ladder. They looked as though they knew what they were doing. Looney decided to follow them and really make it to the top this time. What could be up there to interest a lizard, a lobster, a leopard, and ladybugs? He was going to find out. I wonder what it was. I think I know what that is. This time Looney did make it to the top of the ladder and into the lemon tree. Do you know what he saw? Let's look at some clues. There's a nice lady. There's some books and a table. It looks like a library. A lady called the librarian was there helping everyone find books. She came over to Looney and asked him if he liked books. She explained that a library was for those who like to read and look at books. Looney learned all about the treehouse library. He checked out some books about lions, lambs, and llamas. And then he went down the ladder lightly and happily. Oh, 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 oh. I am so, so proud of Looney because he was finally brave enough to get books and go down the ladder, and you can see the L's. Oh, 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 oh. Very good. Remember, try to retell the story. If you have a pet, you could retell the story of Looney the Lion to your pet.